Eli, what's that you're eating? Is that a waffle?
Waffle.
Yeah, waffle.
Mm.
Yep. Waffle. Midday snack, huh?
Mama.
Yeah, Mama's having it too.
Waffle.
Waffle.
Papa. Mama.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Yummy. You say waffle?
Waffle.
What else can you say? Can you say butter?
Waffle.
Nice try. Can you say butter?
Butter. Butter.
Butter.
Mm.
Can you say butter?
Butter.
That's good. That's really good. Let's see. What else can we try? Something new.
Mm.
Can we try syrup?
Mm.
No, you have enough on there.
Mm.
You have enough.
Mm.
Finish what you have.
Mm.
Eli, can you say waffle?
Waffle.
Can you say yellow?
Waffle.
You
Waffle.
like that makes
Waffle.
yeah. Can you say love?
Waffle.
Love, love?
Waffle.
Love, love. That's for you. Can you say bye-bye? Eli. Say bye-bye. Blow me a kiss. Can you blow me a kiss?
Mm.